What's up guys, David from Motorspeed. I have a beautiful bike with me here today. This is a 2014 Yamaha R6, 420 pounds wet. This is a high revving sports motorcycle designed with the track in mind. Definitely not for the street. In terms of comfort, it redlines at 16,500 RPM. This is an incredible bike and she looks great. We have these gold wheels on here, got this graphite looking theme. Leo Vince exhaust, only 4,400 miles, extremely low for the year, and they don't make them like this anymore. They're all R7s now, numbed down. They are simply not this beast. And yeah, R1s are cool, but you don't really need an R1. The R6 has more than enough torque and power for all your needs. Incredibly track capable bike. Let's fire her up and give her a listen. Purring. Sounds incredible, looks even better. Like I said, only 4,000 miles on it. In fantastic condition. Gotta love these headlight designs, so aggressive. This one is pretty much stock besides the exhaust. We have a couple of goodies on here, like the levers, the grips, right? We got the frame sliders installed, added safety. We got the blacked out mirror here, or windshield. Exhaust, like I mentioned, still has the passenger pegs, passenger seat as well. This is pretty neat. She's for sale. We finance and ship all over the United States. Call us 916-249-4291 or visit our website sacmotorspeed.com. Thanks for watching.